In dancehall, artists have to be careful with who they are going at. A wrong clash can destroy their entire career. Contrary to popular belief, Alkaline in all his clashes has mastered the art of war by Sun Tzu. Alkaline has either defended against or decimated all his foes unknowingly, using the art of war by Sun Tzu, a book that was written over 1,000 years ago. Before we break down how Alkaline skillfully defined his opponents in the cover art for his new song, please like, subscribe, and comment for more content. We are the Yaadsman. In Chapter 4 of The Art of War, entitled Attack with Stratagem, Sun Tzu explains Alkaline's plan of attack perfectly. Sun Tzu says that there are 5 essentials for victory. Throughout history, Alkaline has focused on the first 2. Number 1, he will win who knows when to fight and when not to fight. In his new cover art, Alkaline absolutely knows who to attack and when to attack. In his cover art, he sums up his opponents strategically. At the table of his enemies, in order from left to right are Squash, MASICKA, VYBZ, KARTEL, and POPCAAN. The cards are significant, symbolizing each of his foes and how he sees them. Squash, a former foe, the 2 3s add up to 6 and 9, referring to line about Squash in his viral Distract Death announcement. MASICKA's previous album was named 438, and the fact that he has chips means he has a chance of being a worthy opponent, or he has a chance to spar with Alkaline. VYBZ, KARTEL, the king behind bars, is described in the cover art with a king card with vertical lines. The other 2 cards, 5 and 3, add up to 8. This may be 8 or infinity sign, paying homage to the great incarcerated DJ. Lastly, POPCAAN. Alkaline sees him as a clown and a foe not worthy of his time. Alkaline knows which of his opponents are worth his time, which of his opponents have been defeated, which of his opponents are no threat, and which of his opponents are not able to fight at this time. Number 2, he will win who knows how to handle both superior and inferior forces. Alkaline has explicitly shown which of his opponents are inferior and superior in some shape or form. His former opponents such as Squash and POPCAAN are seen as inferior by Alkaline, since he has decimated in the lyrical arena. VYBZ, KARTEL, he hails as a king behind bars. If he was free, he would have maybe had a chance, but since he is incarcerated, he has no place on the battlefield. Now MASICKA, producing possibly the hottest album for the last 5 years in dancehall, has accumulated both the status and the lyrical skill to challenge the vendetta boss. Alkaline has summed up his past, present, and future opponents while taunting them to respond.